Have you ever wondered where it all began? How the powerful industry we know today came to be? Our journey begins in the heart of the 18th century, during a historic period known as the Industrial Revolution. This was a time of remarkable change, where society transitioned from hand production methods to machines, sparking the birth of the industry. Key inventions and advancements played a monumental role during this era. Take, for instance, the steam engine, a breakthrough invention that powered factories, locomotives, and ships. Then came the spinning jenny, which revolutionized the textile industry by exponentially increasing productivity. But it didn't stop there. The introduction of the assembly line in the early 20th century took mechanization to a whole new level, making mass production a reality. This shift from manual labor to mechanization marked a significant turning point in our history. From the steam engine to the assembly line, the roots of the industry have always been about innovation. If the past was about invention, the present is about innovation and efficiency. Now, let's journey through the evolution of the industry over the years, a journey marked by the defining role of technology. In the early days, the focus was on mechanization, on using machines to improve productivity. But as we moved into the 21st century, the game changed. The rise of automation transformed the industry, with robots and machines taking over tasks once performed by humans. Then came the Internet of Things, connecting devices and systems in unprecedented ways, creating smart factories where efficiency reigned supreme. But the revolution didn't stop there. Artificial intelligence stepped into the mix, driving predictive maintenance, quality control, and demand forecasting to new heights. These technological advancements have not just changed the face of the industry, they've reshaped its soul, its very essence. The industry has not just adapted to the digital age, it has thrived in it, creating a new era of industrialization. So, where does the industry go from here? What does the future hold? As we venture into the years ahead, it's evident that the industry is on a trajectory of continuous evolution and innovation. With sustainability becoming a non-negotiable factor, we can expect to see a rise in practices that not only cater to business needs, but also to our planet's health. We'll see businesses becoming more conscious of their carbon imprint, investing in renewable energy, and exploring circular economy models. The future also promises an increased emphasis on automation. Technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics will step in to take over repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency and productivity. And let's not forget the integration of emerging technologies. Augmented reality, virtual reality, the Internet of Things, these are not just buzzwords. They are the harbingers of the next industrial revolution, poised to redefine the ways we work and live. While we can't predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear: the industry will continue to evolve, innovate, and shape our world. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. We've journeyed through time, witnessing the birth of the industry, its evolution from humble beginnings to a global powerhouse. We've seen it adapt, innovate, and transform, shaping our world in unimaginable ways. Looking ahead, we've speculated on its future, fueled by technology and human ingenuity. From its inception during the Industrial Revolution to its current digital transformation, the industry continues to be a driving force in our world. And as we look to the future, it's exciting to imagine where it will take us next.